Hello, my name is Lisa from SquareOne Training. I am going to use Microsoft Link to record this training session, and I'm going to give you some tips and tricks on Microsoft Word. So first of all, within Link, I went to the actions and I actually asked to start recording. So if I minimize that down for now, you can see with my Microsoft Word screen, I'm just going to format the document and show you some great stuff. First of all, I want to change the word happy to be sad. So to do that, the fastest way is to double click on the word. Double clicking on the word highlights it, and once you've done that, you can type over the top of the text without deleting it first. Lots of people think that if you want text, bold, italic, underline, etc. in Word, that you have to, again, highlight it to do that. That's not the case. You put your cursor anywhere inside the word, and as long as you've done that, you can do any formatting. So, bold, let's make it bigger. And you can see, you can grab all those features that are up on the ribbon. You can do this in any version of Word as well. So if you've got the older versions, it's the same principle. So to make cruises formatted anywhere on the word, bold, I'll make it bigger. As you can see, this has increased the font. And then once I've done that, I'm going to center the text as well. And again, if you want to center text, most people think you have to highlight. You don't. By pressing any of the center buttons, it does the whole paragraph automatically. Any of these will work without you highlighting at all. So for instance, if I wanted to put a line under cruises, I could go to the border button, use bottom border, for instance. There's lots to choose from. And it would simply do that to the text. To highlight a line of text, you do not have to drag over it. You simply move your mouse to the left-hand side inside the margin and you click once. And once you've done that, the line's grabbed. You can do your normal centering, maybe make it bold, etc. Let's go bigger as well. And then once you've done that to the text, one of the best features in Microsoft Word is the paintbrush. And what you do with the paintbrush is you double click onto it, and that will suck up the actual font and size and layout of that text. And you can see I've got a paintbrush moving around now. So if I want the rest of the text like that, I will go in the margin and I will click once. And by doing it inside the margin, which is called the selection bar, you can see that there is no dragging. It's simply at one click and it will do that text. I'm not using paragraph styles. I'm just using the normal features of Word, as this is a short document. And once I have done that, I'll press escape on the keyboard and that will stop the format painter working and allow my cursor to go back to normal. So using the format painter with text that's made bold, so we'll do that again. On that text, I'm going to press Ctrl B to make it bold. Then I'm going to double click the format painter. It's going to suck up that text look, and then it's just one click to actually paint that onto the rest of the text, and escape when you've finished. To make this the whole document change font, you can do it here in the margin again. And if you click 3 times, that highlights the entire document. So once you've done that, you can change the font of the document. Clicking twice in the margin highlights the paragraph. Maybe you want to put page breaks in. This is a shortcut for page breaks. You put your cursor before your headings and you press Control and Enter on the keyboard, and that will force down the actual text that's underneath your cursor to a new page. Okay, so it's cursor before the text, Control and Enter, and you repeat that however many times you want. So if I go to the top of the document, which is Control Home, take me to the top. One of the main questions I'm asked a lot is, what is a quick way of deleting page breaks? Well, you can delete them through Find and Replace, or if you've simply got the odd one that you'd like to get rid of. This on the Home ribbon is very useful. It's called Show Hide, and if I press that, that will show me any page breaks and formatting that I've currently got. So here you can see these are my enters. Here where I've pressed the space on the keyboard, and here's the page break. So to delete that page break, I can click before it or highlight it. It doesn't really matter. You can see my cursor's on the line of it, and then I'll press delete. And then any text that was forced onto the next page will subsequently move up on there and delete. And once I've done that, I will switch off this Show Hide because I no longer need to use it. That's just a few very, very simple shortcuts for you. I have many more, and I will be continuing to do lots and lots of videos. But I hope you enjoyed that quick session and you found them useful. Thank you. Back to link. Back to here. And now I'm going to switch off the video.